How to download and install the LibreOffice on Windows. Hello everyone, and let's get started. LibreOffice is a free and open source office productivity suite which includes several applications for word processing, spreadsheets, presentations, diagrams, databases, and much more. LibreOffice is developed by the Document Foundation, a non-profit organization dedicated to providing free office software. It is compatible with major office suites such as Microsoft Office and supports a wide range of file formats. So, to get started with, open your browser and search for LibreOffice and tap on the first link provided by the official website. Once you tap on it, it will open another page which is the home page for the LibreOffice. Now, from the navbar, tap on the Download drop-down menu and then tap on Download LibreOffice. Once you click on it, you will enter another page from where, if you are a business user, you can tap on it. Likewise, if you just want the latest version, search for the operating system and then tap on the download button, which will immediately start downloading the file. Once the download is completed, you just have to click on the zip file or the .exe file and the installation will start. Within few minutes, you will now have your LibreOffice installed on your device. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.